Shotgun in your mouth. Shotgun in your mouth. I'm glad you brought your
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Nice. A Dyer?
What's that?
Are these a Dyer?
Ampere Audio.
Oh, I don't know brands that well. All right. Ampere Audio.
Good.
Very nice. Who built the box? This looks good.
A-Class Sounds, Ryan Waddle.
Okay.
I'm gonna have him build me a slot port because this one got a little rain damage. It busted the welds up here on both sides, and the rain got down inside there.
Yeah. Wow. Can I see the amp inside? Right? Nice. All right. Yeah, man. Can I come in? Yeah. You want to shut the trunk, probably?
What's that?
Shut the trunk, probably?
Oh, yeah. Duh.
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad.
It's okay.
Only got about 7 hours of sleep the last 2 days.
Oh, yeah. That's slam crunching. So your name and what's in here real quick?
So I got a Salt 8, 2 Shuriken 2400s, 8 Ampere Audio, 2.5 RDs, and then the box and Kenwood Exelon deck.
All right. Who built the box in? Do you know the tuning on it?
So Ryan, 33 hertz. Ryan Waddle from A-Class Sounds in Spring Lake Park, Minnesota. They're great people.
You have another one for me?
I got another song. Low. You want something low?
Yeah, sure, man.
Let's do something low.
Very nice.
I'll find it again quick. Just give me a second.
So what is your amp wired to?
So it's run at 0.5 ohms with box rise is 1.73. I have no idea what it's putting out right now because we never clamped it.
Yeah. And your alternator size?
370 amp brand X.
Okay. How low does it play down?
22-ish.
Okay.
Let's see what this one is. This one's 26.
All right.
you brought your friends. Cause these are my people.
Appreciate you, man.
Thank you very much for showing me.
Yeah, thank you for coming and checking it out.
Yes, sir. I got one more request if you could. Is there a way we could play half volume trunk open? I can get
Half
some
volume
subflex.
trunk open, we sure can.
Just for a little subflex action. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Just don't blow the subs, set a limit.
We'll go to 26.
Okay. There we go. Yeah, go ahead if you want, man. That's up to you.
Try it.
It's just some people would want to see the subflex, so that's
Yeah, yeah. They flex a lot more than that over there.
nice.
These are my people. Cause these are my people.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you.